For our next question, we have the sum of the squares of three consecutive odd positive integers equaling 875. We want to know what the integers are. So we're going to let x be the least integer, the lowest integer. Since x is odd, the next consecutive odd integer will be x plus 2. And the next odd integer after x plus 2 will be x plus 4. And since we're talking about the sum of the squares of these, we say the first one squared, x squared, plus the second one, which is x plus 2, quantity squared, plus the third one, which is x plus 4, quantity squared, equaling 875. Well, we can expand this out, x plus 2 times x plus 2, and expand this out, x plus 4 times x plus 4. X squared plus this equals 875. Well, when we expand all that out, we get x squared plus x plus 2 quantity squared is x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. X plus 4 quantity squared is x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16, and all that will equal 875. Okay? Now we collect like terms. We have three different x squareds. We have positive 2x plus 2x plus 4x plus 4x, and we have positive 20. And all of that will equal 875. What we can then do is subtract 875 from both sides. We have positive 20 on the left. When we subtract 875, we'll get negative 855. And so now we have a quadratic equation. 3x squared plus 12x minus 855 equals 0. Well, we want to factor that so that we can solve it. And the way we factor is always to common factor first. CFF, common factor first. CFF is your BFF. Okay? Well, when we factor out a 3, we've got 3 times x squared plus 4x minus 285 equaling 0. We now have a trinomial factoring opportunity in the bracket. We want two numbers that add to 4 and multiply to negative 285. And those two numbers are positive 19 and negative 15. So, 3 times x plus 19 times x minus 15 equals 0. Well, maybe this factor equals 0. If x plus 19 equals 0, then x is negative 19. Well, this is an extraneous root because the question says it has to be a positive integer. Okay? Or maybe x minus 15 equals 0. Well, if that's the case, then x is 15. X plus 2 is 17, and x plus 4 is 19. And we've got our three consecutive odd integers. So the three consecutive odd numbers are 15, 17, and 19.